Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our next tense, the future tense. First, there future tense also, it is divided into 4 parts. Okay, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. First tense, simple future tense. What is the form of simple future tense? Subject plus will, shall plus root verb. Subject plus will, shall plus root verb. Okay. Means, for example, he will write a letter. He will write a letter. He is the subject, will, and then write a letter. Okay. Write is the verb and letter is the object. Means subject plus will, shall plus root verb plus object. Okay, if there is a question, then we can write the before the subject we can write shall or we. For example, will you work? Okay, or if there is shall I work? If there is shall I work or shall we work? If there is you, then will you work? Or will he it work? Will they work? Like this way we can write the question. If there is a negative, means negative sentence, then after the shall or will we can write there not. Means we shall not work or I shall not work. He will not work. Like this way we can write the negative sentence. Then what is the uses of simple future tense? Simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will take place in future. Means it will indicate the action that will take place in the future. For example, he will come for my party. He will come for my party. Means that action takes place in the future. Will take place in the future. Or she will sing a song. She will sing a song. Or I shall meet you tomorrow. They will arrive soon. Like this way we can write the example of simple means express action in the future that has still to take place. Okay, that had still to take place. Then next use of simple future tense is, means here is mentioned only one, but other use also there is. Express the habitual action in the future. Express the habitual action in the future. For example, the rainy season will come. The rainy season will come means every year rainy season is coming. It is the habitual action. Okay. Then means like this we can or my son will run this form exactly as I am doing now. Means like this way we can write the example of means that express the habitual action. Then next, to express the speaker's opinion about the future. Express the speaker's opinion about the future. Means verbs such as think, we can means verbs which is such as think, believe, expect, hope, suppose. Means these verbs introduce such opinions. Means speaker's opinion about the future. For example, see, I expect he will do better next time. I expect he will do better next time. Or do you think she will come back? Think is there. Think is there. First example there is expect. I will means I expect he will do better next time. And second example, do you think? Think is there. She will come back. Means like this way. Means speaker's opinion. For the to express the speaker's opinion, about the future we can use like such as example means think, believe, expect, hope. Okay. The next tense is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense means form of the future continuous tense is subject plus will shall plus be plus ing form of the verb plus object. Subject plus will shall plus be plus ing form of the verb plus rule plus object. Example, she will be singing a song. She will be singing a song. Okay, means or he or she. If there is then will shall. Okay, we shall be plus ing verb. Means then will be she will be studying. Okay, like this way also we can write the example. Then future, what is the use of future perfect tense? To indicate an action that will be going on at some time in the future. Okay, means the future perfect tense future continuous tense is used to express an action which will occur in the usual course of events. Okay, usual course of event. Then example of this future continuous tense means it is the use to express an action which will occur in the usual course of events. This example, I will be meeting him tomorrow. I will be meeting him tomorrow means that will occur. Which action? Meeting. Usual time of event in future. Okay. Next use of future continuous tense is see here not mentioned but other means to express future without intention. To express future without intention. For example, will you be going to England? Will you be going to England? Means it is the intention. Here that sentence express the intention. Okay. Or the lady will be coming back this way. The lady will be coming back this way. Means like this way we can write the expression in future means express the future without intention. Without intention. Next type of future tense is future perfect tense. Form of the future perfect tense is subject plus will shall plus have plus past participle. Subject plus will shall plus have. What is there after will or shall? We can write the means after will or shall there is a have and then past participle plus object. He will have written a letter. He will have written a letter. Okay. Or she will have sung a song. Means sung is the past participle. And will have. She will sing a song. Or shall means she. Then use of the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain future time. Completion of an action means at the some given point of time in future. The children will have finished their work by 7 p.m. Means it is a certain time 7 p.m. Okay, will have finished their work by 7 p.m. He will have left the house before you reach. Means it is a certain. Before he reach, it is a certain time. Means like this way, future perfect tense is used. Means subject plus, shall will plus, have plus, past participle plus, object. Okay. Then last tense, future perfect continuous tense. What is the form? subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. He will have been writing a letter. He will have been writing a letter. Okay. Then use future perfect continuous tense shows an action going on over a period of time. And that will end in the future. Means that is action is going on some period of time and it will complete at the end, means in the future. Okay. For example, see, by the end of this year I shall have been studying the topic. Okay, means I shall have been studying the topic. Or when he gets his degree, he will have been studying in Cambridge for 4 years. See sentence carefully. When he gets his degree, he will have been studying in Cambridge for 4 years. Means after completing his degree, means it is a, see, completing his degree, he will have been studying in Cambridge for 4 years. Or next example, see, by 1988 she will have been ranking the first. Okay, she will have been ranking the first. Means like this way it is the means action going on over a period of time, means, and it will end in the future. Means till she is completing her education, she will have been ranking the first. Means like this way these are the use of future perfect continuous tense. Everyone write this. See, everyone write the uses and each type you have to write the 2 example in your notebook. Like this way your topic finish and your unit test syllabus also finish. Okay, everyone complete this uses and with each tense 2 example in your notebook with form. Okay, thank you.